Hello there, Jonathan here from COHO, and today I'm going to show you specifically how to use our mail merge feature within the COHO system. This forms part of our onboarding flow, but what I'll show you today is how to extract the specific mail merge tags out of COHO, how to add them to your own AST that you've been building, and then how to re-upload them back into the COHO system to have them as your set template. So the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to open up your AST, the one you're working on, in either a Word document or a Google Drive doc. I'm working on a document here. I've used a couple of dummy tags, really, ones that you'll be using along the way, things like the landlord's name, the tenant's name, the room name, and the property name. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to log into your COHO account and find this tenancies button here. If we click that tenancies button and then open up via the cog on the right-hand side, you then click the tenancy agreement templates. What we're going to do now is add a new template, because what this will do, this will open up an area here with a little blue eye. You can access it from other points in the account, but for this example, we'll access it from here. If we open up that, that then opens up that description, which is a very brief description of how the mail tags work and also how to access them, specifically via this PDF document here. So I'm going to click that and open it up. What you'll see now is a bunch of tags and what it might look like in real life. So you've got COHO applicant forename, Roger, and a load of examples here that you can use. So for this example, what I need to do is I need to go back to my AST and I need to find the name of the landlord. So if we go down here, it's split out like this. We've got the landlord information. We've got the full name here. So I'm just going to copy and paste that tag and replace the section I have there with that tag. I'm now going to do the same for the tenant. So I'll go back to the agreement and find the tenant section. So we've got the tenant sort of information there, the application details there, the full name here, I'll be grabbing and popping into this section here. I now need to find the room name. And so if I go down to the tenancy information, we've got all those details there and the property information there as well. So I'll take the room name from there, pop it into room name, and hopefully you're understanding the gist of what we do here. It's worth bearing in mind that you only ever have to do this once. So once you've set up your AST, it will store it and save it within the system and use these relevant tags for the relevant tenant as well. So I've now put those in. So those are the tags I'm going to be using for my AST. What I now need to do is I just need to download that document as a Word document. You do have to upload your AST as a Word document. It can't be a PDF. But what I'll do is I'll jump back into COHO and I will open up this again. I'm going to give it a new name. I'm just going to call it sample AST. This is applicable to all properties. And we're going to choose the document here that we've just used. So it's the COHO AST. We're going to open it up and we're going to add it. And we can then view it here. And you can view it as a draft, which we will do. And it opens up there. So it's pulled in the details. You've got the full name that will be coming through, the room and the address. You can also have the other version here, which is the original version with the tags that we use. So this is the original tags, and then it's the converted tags as well. So that is the process of adding these mail merge tags onto a document. It's really straightforward. As always, if there's any questions linked to this, please do just let the team know. But hopefully that gives you a good grounding on how to use our mail merge tags within COHO.